software development process started with waterfall methodology, where each phase, be it analysis, design, development, or testing, began after the completion of the previous phase. To quicken the pace of software development, an agile and iterative process was needed to ensure continuous delivery. That is how DevOps, a compound formed out of development and operations, came into being. Traditional DevOps is a set of agile development practices that encompass the complete software delivery cycle from planning, development, integration, learning, operations, and deployment, while ensuring continuous testing, regular security checks, and regulatory compliance between each workflow throughout the lifecycle. Implementation of conventional DevOps entails an amalgamation of DevOps culture and thought leadership with effective tools to enable you to achieve your business goals. At Nidor, we infuse DevOps culture in our customers' business by taking the following strategic steps: plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, monitor. The future of DevOps is witnessing a transformation from DevOps as an offering to DevOps as a service, an emerging philosophy in application development. DevOps as a service moves traditional collaboration between development and operations teams to the cloud. Here, most of the processes can be automated using a variety of stackable virtual development tools such as AWS Code Build, AWS Code Pipeline, AWS Code Deploy, GCP Deployment Manager, GCP Cloud Console, Azure App Service, Azure Dev Test Labs, and more. By building a strong foundation of traditional DevOps and coupling it with a robust technological expertise, you can begin your journey in DevOps as a service. In order to bring your plan to fruition, you need to focus on leveraging cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, etc., maximizing the process of continuous delivery to release applications, breaking down big releases into numerous continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines, using latest containerization implementation techniques that boost scalability, bringing configurable automation and running test suites, investing in the latest monitoring tools to monitor the performance of live systems. Nidor experts having extensive industry experience have helped numerous businesses in the past to transition from DevOps as an offering to DevOps as a service. Our strategic investments in DevOps practices and DevOps as a service can help you in deploying 10 times more frequently, increasing fruitful projects by up to 40%, reducing support costs by 50%. To analyze where you stand in your DevOps journey, write to us at marketing@nidorinfotech.com. Thanks for watching.